Amazon brand stores can actually make you thousands of dollars with little effort, and I'll do a quick overview in today's video. Now, this is just a quick overview, and you can pretty much see our client right here in the last 30 days made $10,000 just from the brand store. And yes, it was organic. Pretty much most of it's organic, which is amazing. The thing about the brand store is Amazon does automatically rank you on Google, so you get seen on Google when somebody types in your brand name or something related to your products. As long as your brand store is decent, you can generate sales, especially during the holiday season, right? And we kind of want to look at some different things on the brand store. And what we can do right here is actually go into Amazon Seller Central, and you're going to see the option for stores. You're going to go to Manage Stores, right? And once you're here, you're going to see a store that you can create. If you don't see a store, you're going to need to click Register Your Brand, and you need a trademark in order to get a store. Amazon's not going to let everybody make a store. They need to trust you first, and to trust you, you need a trademark. Then you're going to click Create Store, and then you're going to start with a super blank template on what you want to do, right? So if this is BioTrust, it can pop up like that. You want to look at mobile, you want to look at desktop view, you want to add different pages, right? Different headers, your logo, different images. There's so much you can do to build a store. And obviously it's going to take a lot of work. A great tool is canva.com if you wanted to try that out. But the biggest thing about the brand store is keeping it simple and making sure it's optimized on both desktop and mobile. What I've seen a lot is it looks great on desktop, but on mobile, it's terrible. It's hard to see. You can't zoom in. And mobile users are around 60% of the buyers now on Amazon. So you need to be prepared for that. What usually happens is you build the store. You can do something extremely basic with canva.com, which is completely free. Download those images, upload them to Amazon, and you're going to build it, submit it for publishing, and then you're going to wait 24 to 72 hours for Amazon to deny it or approve it. If they deny it, they're just going to tell you what needs to be changed. Nothing crazy, right? Now, if we go back to this seller, what is so special about brand stores is nobody can run ads on your brand store, right? So if you have your own brand store, it's an ad-free zone. That's your space. On Amazon, sometimes it's chaos. There's ads popping up everywhere, right? There's competitors popping up on your listing. This is your one time where Amazon isn't going to show you competitor listings, which is very nice. A great example of a brand store is Samsung. So you're going to go to Amazon, type in amazon.com/Samsung, and it's going to take you to Samsung's brand store right away, which is super nice. So you can see deals, mobile, TV and audio, tablets, computing. And the best part is they have a previous live video, and they have add to cart right here where you can add the products right from the get. So right when you come to the brand store, customers are able to add items, not just one item, but multiple items at the same time. And you can actually give discounts in the brand store if they're ordering from the brand store, which is nice. You can see limited time deal. All these discounts are nice. They're showing all of their products. Then they have a deals section. Let's see the TV and audio. Featured deals. Okay, they don't have any deals. Maybe it was for Black Friday or Cyber Monday, but it looks like they didn't update their page. But make sure you update your page. The less pages you have, the better sometimes. So just keep that in mind. But that's a good example of a really good store. When you're creating your store, you're able to list multiple products next to each other, just like Samsung did. And that's going to increase your overall sales. And that's what you want to do. You want to increase your AOV to as high as possible instead of just a customer just ordering one thing from you. They're ordering multiple things in one order because they see all of your brands and all of your products. Another good example is going to be Apple. So you're going to do the same exact thing, amazon.com/Apple, and then it's going to take you to the Apple page. The watch, the iPad, AirPods, it's got everything right here. I don't like it as much as I like Samsung's because Samsung's right from the get, right at the top, it literally has an add to cart button. And that's what I love. If it had like a little streamline right here where it had the MacBooks, the iPhone, you have the MacBook, the AirPod, exactly what's in this picture right here. Adding that in, people will buy it. People will click to the cart and be like, I just want it. I don't care. It's all right there. And they'll check out. But giving them all these extra steps will make it harder. So keep that in mind at the end of the day. Not only that, you could add Amazon Attribution. So you can track your non-Amazon campaigns, push them to your store, and kind of track how they do. So you can register for that as well. So there's multiple benefits to the brand store. It's about setting it up once and then kind of relaxing and checking out how the data does. It's not something that you have to spend tons of effort on, or I do not recommend you spend tons of effort on, but it is going to be an asset long term for your business, especially as customers start to learn your brand name, start Googling your brand name, and then all of a sudden your brand starts showing up before your website does. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. Learn something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, creating your own brand store, helping you dominate Amazon, remove competitors, increase SEO, we do it all. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. We even offer full account management. We'll do everything Amazon for your account so you can become successful in the long term. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of VHP Consulting Group, signing out.